Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave Apps account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer statement in Wave Apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a customer statement in Wave Apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers say they already paid you, or maybe they're asking for a list of payments they made. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave Apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave Apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a customer statement, here on the left side, you're going to click on Sales and Payments. Once you click there, it's going to open up a menu, and you want to click here on Customer Statements. Next, in order to create a customer statement, you have to choose the customer. So click right here. Okay, once you click there, you want to scroll through until you find the customer that you want to make a statement for. Okay, once you choose your customer, you're going to go ahead and choose the type of customer statement. So you can do outstanding invoices. So it's kind of like late payment notification, or you can do complete account activity, which is what I'm going to do. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the time frame. So maybe we're going to go ahead and do for the last 90 days. So let me choose March 3rd up until today. Okay, once you're ready, go ahead and click on Create Customer Statement. Okay, once you do that, an image of the statement showing all of their invoices and all of their payments. So directly from this customer statement, you can go ahead and send this to the customer, or you can click here, More Actions, and you can go ahead and print it out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a customer statement in your Wave Apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.